Hi, kindergartners. So for today, you have kind of a little different lesson. You are going to start by listening to this video. It is a read-aloud story called The Kissing Hand, and she's going to read it aloud to you. After you've listened to the story, you know me, I like when you listen to it twice, because I really want you to be able to retell what happened in this story. Now, when you retell a story, you're kind of summarizing what happened. So the best kind of retells are when you can remember at least 2 character names and when you can tell 3 big details. So for instance, you would say, there's a character named, whatever the character's name is. What happened in the beginning is, what happened in the middle is, what happened in the end is, and then another character occurs throughout that storytelling. So again, when you retell, it's 2 big character names and 3 big events that happen in the story. It'll kind of happen naturally. If you listen to the story twice and you go and try to tell your parents about the story, you're going to be able to remember some big events. Character names are a little hard. So when you hear a character name, practice it in your brain as you're listening. Okay? So directions one more time. Listen to this story twice and then go find someone in your house that you can retell what happened in the story. And parents, when you're listening to that retell, make sure they can tell you 2 character names and 3 big events, and try in order, beginning, middle, end. After you're done, you're going to be writing in this Lumio B button. I'm going to have you write 2 sentences for me using your senses, your sense of smell and your sense of hearing. I don't know why that sounds so weird to me, but your sense of hearing, sense of hear. I don't know. It sounds weird to me. Sound, sense of sound? I don't know. All right, kids, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow.